guests, and fellow students. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Ellie. This morning she will be speaking to us about how to make a pizza. Please join me in welcoming Ellie.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a pizza. But it's not only a pizza, it's Papa Murphy's pizza. My absolute favorite. Today I'm going to make a popular pizza. It's actually called a kid's favorite. How cool is that? They named it after kids, just like us. Anyway, I think we should get started. First, we start with our dough, which is made fresh every single day in the store. But before making a perfect pizza, we need to make sure it's been raised, which usually takes about an hour from the time you take it out of your refrigerator. Next, we are going to put some sauce on it, but only 1 scoop, otherwise it tastes way too strong, if you know what I mean. Our delicious sauce comes from just the finest vine-ripened tomatoes, which, by the way, is a great source of vitamins and antioxidants. So I guess not only delicious, but also nutritious. Now for our cheese. We use 100% real mozzarella, which is a good source of calcium. This is also grated every day in the store. Wow, a lot of things are made fresh each and every day in the store. So, since we are making a large pizza, that equals 9.5 ounces of cheese, which is spread all the way out to the edges. If I don't do this, it will make my nickname the Center Loader. And I cannot have this as a nickname. This is just an awful impression. For this certain type of pizza, we will make it half cheese and half pepperoni. Since we already know how many ounces of cheese we need to put on it, all we need to know now is how much pepperoni we should put on it. That's way easier. That is 30 different pieces of pepperoni. I can't forget to count because here at Papa Murphy's, we want to make sure each and every single pizza is 100% correct. We can't have one thing wrong. We want to make your meal better by giving you the exact kind of pizza you ordered. So not everybody here has made a Papa Murphy's pizza, but I'm sure most of you have ate one. So for a way for our employees to check if it's a good pizza, we look at it and say, does this look like a good enough pizza to eat? If so, we did good. If not, We're going to start with a line down the middle and go all the way out back to the edges to make sort of a shape like a half circle. And these are staying together. So, then we are just going to fill in the middle. And there. Okay. Now for the topping cheese. Most people would ask why we have to put more cheese on it. That's because, 1, most people love cheese, and 2, it helps the topping stay in place better. Well, one thing is for sure, we have to have a base cheese, and the top kind of cheese is called topping cheese, which is a mix of cheddar and provolone. Again, since we are making a large pizza, that equals 2 ounces of topping cheese. The final thing we need to do is wrap it with a baking instruction sheet that goes with it. You set your oven at 425 degrees, and it usually takes 10 to 14 minutes, depending on your oven. Cook it on the middle rack of the oven, right on the tray it comes on, and there you have it. You slice it and get to enjoy hot pizza right out of your oven. From our kitchen to your oven, that's Papa